Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be showing you how to view the privacy policy in Threads, the messaging app for Instagram. This will allow you to understand how your personal information is being collected, used, and protected. To get started, open the Threads application on your Android device. Tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap on the three stacked lines in the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. Scroll down the menu until you see About with the eye icon and tap on it. From here, you can access information about the Threads app, including the version number and legal information. Tap on Privacy Policy to view the full privacy policy for the app. The privacy policy will explain what information is collected, how it's used, and how it's protected. This can include information such as your name, username, and IP address. It may also include information about how the app uses cookies and other tracking technologies. It's important to review the privacy policy for any app or service you use to understand how your personal information is being handled. This can help you make informed decisions about what information you choose to share and with whom. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily view the privacy policy in Threads and better understand how your personal information is being handled. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions or feedback, leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.